What's up, gang? Got another short ride and review for you today. You remember a few weeks ago I took you guys to Kobo by Nye. And when I was doing that ride and review, I mentioned how the chef owner, Ruben, is super talented and has a few other restaurants. One of them is called Emilia, and that's where I'm going today. It's up in the East Village, First Ave and like 10th, 11th Street. So I'm gonna take a ride on Allen and just rip right up there. Make that Christie. I guess I turned too late. I was too busy bullshitting. Anyway, in an effort to keep this short, I'm not gonna ride it out like I usually do. Like usually when I'm on my way home, I tell you all about it. It's gonna be dark, and the video footage sucks in the dark for right now, what I'm using. So I'm just gonna skip the ride out and just give you the ride too. And I'm really going here to take new pictures of the menu items for Ruben for Instagram, so that he can post them up on Instagram. So it'll just be a quick in and out. The cake dealer's meeting me there. We'll get some food, take some photos. I'm gonna stay in the traffic because I know I gotta get to the right. Oh, this is fun. Splitting. What's going on here? Man, see how versatile this Zeus is? I get around this traffic like nothing. I fucking love it. So anyway, almost there already. We got the green wave. These people are just walking out in front. Man, First Ave is a mess. A lot of construction, and it's the weekend. Look at this. So like I was saying, this guy's food is so good. You got to try out his restaurants. Emilia, Nye, Kobo, and Amigo, all excellent. And I think this place is It's coming up here right on the right. Yeah, there it is. He's got a little vestibule area that I can just lock right up in. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.